Jill DeWit here, co-founder of Land Academy, with a big announcement for you. This Thursday at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, my partners, Steve and Jack Vitala, and I will be live on Facebook and YouTube to share the details of the release of our latest program, Land Academy 3.0, or as we lovingly call it, Catching Up with Land Academy. It's 2022. We changed how we buy and sell land, and so should you. Included are how we use the latest data sources available to pick areas and price offers, along with our best tips to connect with sellers, lock in deal funding if you need it, and new strategies to quickly sell property and scale your business. Our Career Path members have received pre-release access and have sent us stellar feedback on the brand new content. So please join us this Thursday again at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, live on YouTube and Facebook. Plus, I will have extra special bonuses for new members and current members that you will not want to miss. You are not alone in your real estate ambition.